To learn a little bit more about the PEY program, I have with me here today Mark Pingal, a recent graduate of our chemical engineering program. So Mark, you did your PEY placement at Petro-Canada, correct?
That's right.
What did you do there?
My role there was a process control engineering student. And what that meant was I worked on a team on projects related to more of the control side. So this was a more technical type of co-op term. My PEY lasted for 1 year, and I was able to work on many different projects, one of which was to optimize a reactor, and this was by process control. So what you do is I did some testing on this particular reactor, and then we had to input our data into like a computer to automatically control the reactor to be able to optimize itself. And by doing this, we were able to save the company over $350,000 per year. So it was a really fun project to work on. We really felt like we made a contribution to the company. So that was one of my more prouder moments in my co-op term. It was a really good experience.
That sounds like a great project to work on. And now that you've graduated, you're back at Petro-Canada?
That's right. Yes, I am.
Excellent. What are you doing now?
Right now, I'm a production engineer, and what that means is I'm responsible for a particular unit. So I deal with problems that happen in that unit from day to day, and I also work on more larger projects that require the buying of capital and that kind of thing. So it's a really good opportunity to work with other people in the company and to actually design and develop stuff. And it's a good opportunity to make a big contribution to my particular part of the plant. So an example of what I do right now is to find out the most optimized way that we can run our unit so that we can maximize the amount of product we get out in the end. So it's an ongoing project right now, but it's very interesting and very fun.
Cool.
Yeah.
And as a graduate who's gone through engineering and through the PEY program, would you recommend it to our incoming students?
Oh, most definitely. The PEY program was a great opportunity to apply what you learn in school and also give you an opportunity to reflect and figure out what do you want to do. Having gone through PEY, I realized, yes, I wanted to do an engineering type job. I wanted to do a job that was more technical in nature. And it was a really good opportunity to develop relationships with the people in the company, to learn about the company, and to learn more about the technical side of the engineering. So it was a great opportunity to learn, to develop relationships with other people. So most definitely I would recommend PEY for anybody who just wants to figure out what they're going to do with the rest of their life.
Excellent. Well, it sounds like your career is off to a great start, and thanks very much for coming out and chatting with us today.
Thank you, Shannon.